Hi, my name is Brad Wheat and I'm the founder of KickStart Guitar. Have you ever wanted your child to learn the guitar? Do you ever feel like it would be too time-consuming or too costly for them to learn? Do you wish you could just find a step-by-step program that is fun and educational at the same time? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you're going to want to pay very close attention to this presentation. If you've ever felt like you don't have enough time to pursue your own hobbies, I can relate. Because between being a dad to a young family and running my own business, I often feel like I don't get enough time to do the things I want. In short, I hear you. Before I discovered online lessons, I always wanted to master the guitar, but I found all the information on the internet overwhelming, not knowing where to begin and what were the best things to concentrate on. I suspected there was an easier way, but I didn't know what it was. I had this nagging feeling that I was getting nowhere on the guitar. But the media and all my friends always said just keep practicing, you will get there. I realized that most parents in this busy day and age are having to fight their way through busy traffic of an afternoon to get their children to expensive music lessons and then learning that their children weren't even really engaged in their lessons. I wanted to help by creating a fun music program that students could do from the comfort of their own home that uses the devices they're engaged and familiar with. So, I decided to design the perfect course that I would have liked to have when I was first learning the guitar. Introducing KickStart Guitar. I want to share with you why you need this program if you're serious about your child mastering the guitar. I truly believe KickStart Guitar is the right platform to go from beginner to winner. Learning the guitar with KickStart Guitar is easy. All you need to do is watch the videos and tick off your checklist of achievements each week. By doing the program, you will gain a solid foundation into mastering the art of playing guitar. With KickStart Guitar, you can learn the guitar without the mad afternoon rush and waiting for your child to finish their lesson using a Gen Z technology to keep your kids engaged. KickStart Guitar comes packed with great features like step-by-step video lessons to watch from the comfort of your own home, checklists to mark off your progress on the guitar, a weekly masterclass that teaches new concepts on the guitar plus allows you to get your questions answered live in real time, rewards for completing small goals including the Request a Song feature. KickStart Guitar will make your life easier by giving you easy-to-follow step-by-step lessons to get you started on guitar straight away, the convenience to learn from the comfort of your own home at your own pace, the weekly live masterclass and checklists to keep you engaged and on track, plus an attractive affiliate program that lets you earn commissions for each student you refer. Click the button below to get started with KickStart Guitar.